Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix your laptop camera if it's not working. As you can see, whenever we open the laptop camera, this error message appears. It's asking us to install the media feature pack for the Windows N and KN version. Watch this video until the end to learn how to fix this problem quickly and easily. Now open your web browser. And search for media feature pack for Windows 10 and KN. Once the search result appear, open the first Microsoft official website. Click the download button. At this point, select these two files. And click the download button. The download will start automatically. The download is complete. Now we will install the files one by one. These files are already installed on my system, but since this is your first time, please install the both files. After the installation is complete, open Setting. And search for optional feature. Then click on add an optional feature. Next, click on add a feature and select the two files we just installed. Finally, click and add. It may take a few minutes for the feature to be added. We are using Windows 10 Pro N version, and this camera issue is more common in this version. At least the camera feature have been added. Now let's start the system once. The restart is complete. Now let's test the camera and see if your result of your patience for watching this video has been successful or not. Wow, it's worked. The camera is working now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press this bell icon to get more easy tech related video like this. Thank you for watching this video.